Hi everyone, in today's video we will fix a Frigidaire dishwasher blue light blinking with beeping, error meaning and the reset guide. So the fix one, you can check the door properly. Open the dishwasher door fully, check if anything is blocking the door, rack, utensils, etc. and close the door firmly until you hear a click. The fix 2, you can turn off the control lock. So the first step, you can look at the control panel for a lock symbol. Then press and hold the control lock or delay start buttons for 3 to 5 seconds. Then wait until the light turns off. Then in the fix 3, you can reset the dishwasher. Press the cancel button, wait for around 1 to 2 minutes for it to reset. If the still if the light still blink, turn off the breaker and wait for a 5 minutes, then turn it back on and start a new wash cycle. The fix 4, you can check for water supply problem. Make sure the water supply valve under the sink is on. Check if the inlet hose is bent or blocked and then restart the dishwasher. The fix 5, you can check for drain issue. Open the dishwasher and remove the bottom rack. Check the filter for food or dirt and clean the filter with warm water. Then put everything back and test it again. Goodbye.